Ángel la ciencia.
Never leave the house without my two. Mom told me never trust a sucker nigga from the streets. Said she let me know she was praying for me, but I just wanna party. I don't wanna hurt nobody, just wanna party.
Let's go.
RC, the gang.
You.
What else we gonna expose?
6-inch rubbing on 7s.
1250s.
12 5s. What else? What else is there?
Nice color match.
Oh no! Hey,
Beautiful.
since we're trying to expose somebody, get over here. I'll show you fucking ass.
Show me, please. Show me. Show me, please.
I will rip this fucking chrome cap off if you ever seen that bullshit. What else?
Lock the door.
Oh, didn't your ex buy you that?
I unlocked it. Yes, my ex did buy that. Don't look at that. Don't look at that. That running lights. We don't worry about
Nice
that.
fucking
Mold.
shit.
Mold.
I did this in my backyard.
But flawless whips.
Did this in my backyard.
Oh yeah, flawless whips,
Don't worry
right?
about that.
But it's not flawless, obviously. Simp.
Simp.
Not the fender line, the fucking line. Come on.
Oh, you got.
Damn, it got worse.
This just made it way worse. Look at these handles. Look at this shit. Chrome glue. That's true.
$5 a roll at Walmart.
Look at the
sticker.
font.
Hey, that's Black Boys official right there. Y'all
Look
boy
at the
Gage
font.
made that, okay?
Since this is pearl white, can I just take this fucking Summit white bumper and put it on my white cat eye? Oh, nice third brake light. What is that from 06?
Yes.
Fucking trash.
This is fucking goddamn.
Oh. I mean, yeah, we jackknife all the time.
I bought the truck like that, man. I think I turned everything on.
Hey, they actually look good, dude. I mean,
Oh.
You hear the Velcro?
oh, the Velcro.
Even she's calling him
That's
out.
fucked.
It's Velcro because I didn't
I mean, it's a Denali, but I keep it clean.
Oh, where'd you get that?
Rock lights, man. Gotta do what you gotta do.
Golly.
She know about that, Chris?
Rock lights. AliExpress.net.
Oh yeah, go ahead and plug. Go ahead and plug.
AliExpress.net.
I mean, I got the cleanest chrome hitch here.
Oh, really? Hey, Austin, zoom in on this real quick, son.
Hey, fucker.
He wants to clown Gordon's color match.
Oh shit.
My color match may not match, but it's professionally done. Sanded, smooth, primered, painted, clear coated over 3 times so no rock chips on my front valence and shit. My open controller, all that good shit. 3 coats of clear so it won't fucking get rock chips.
May not match.
It's professional. I like that shit.
Welcome to St. Martinville, huh?
Damn, Chris, Lars, huh? Lars.
So Gordon, tell them what you're doing.
Well, I heard that if you were having a baby, then you had thoughts about putting your rear lift in. And apparently my girlfriend's pregnant, so my rear lift is gonna go in.
There's the pregnant lady.
No, I'm just kidding about the
No.
kidding about the pregnant.
Because Gordon put his rear blocks in.
I'm gonna need a permit.
I'm kidding about the pregnant part, but
Take
the
an
rear lift was
application.
not a fucking joke.
I'm like, hey, what's up, hello? Since your pretty ass, soon as you came in the door, I just wanna chill, got a sack for us to roll. Married to the money, introduced her to my stove. Showed her how to whip and now she leaving super low. She my track queen, let her hit the window. We be coming up, watch out for them bands go. We just set it go, talking about your Lambos. 56 a gram, for 100 grams though. And I swear I love her, how she with the Lambo. Hit the strip club.
Here you go, Andre.
Shirt for me?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm scared what it says. Maybe he's got a camera on me, so it's something not good.
My YouTube shirt.
Cool.
What size you wear?
Medium, baby. You know, I'm really such a fan of you. This is really an honor. It's really an honor to have this from you.
Really?
Appreciate you, man. Solid.
Yeah, we stole Chip's license plate. It's hanging out.
Makes sense.
Hanging out. You know, it makes sense. We had to move it to the right truck. I think Chris already got one. What's that shirt you wear?
Medium.
About to rep the fuck out of Black Z71, dog. Oh my god. Wait, hold on. Actually, hold on.
Flawless whip, huh?
Hold on.
Shut the fuck up.
Fuck up. We've been on that shit, cuz. Been on that.
Oh yeah,
Been rapping.
Stamped.
Been rapping.
Stamped. Stamped.
Damn, I'm certified now. I'm sweaty as fuck. I've never been cooler. The cat hair is free, right? I don't have
Yeah.
to pay extra for that?
No. What size you wear? What size you wear?
Extra small.
I have a small. You don't get lucky. Now what are you doing, Chip?
Trying to see if my PAs are blown as fuck or I'm stupid and hard tomorrow.
Flawless whips.
Flawless whips, just fucking
Flawless whips. Flawless whips.
nigga. That's freshly painted, by the way.
Look. Flawless whips.
Flawless whips.
Flawless whips.
Flawless whips.
Flawless whips.
Flawless whips.
Flawless whips. Flawless whips.
Oh wait, what the fuck? Where's my license plate?
Flawless whips.
Who took it?
Flawless whips.
It's always the white guy.
I feel like it's on one of y'all fucking check. What do you think?
That's how I go.
Look at these fucking clown.
Gang! Gang!
I mean, wouldn't be the first time.
I mean, it wouldn't be the first time.
What happened, there, bud?
Flawless whip.
Flawless whips.
Take dick pics in this fucking mirror right here, okay? You can barely see it, but I do it.
Flawless whips. Jordan, are you a dad yet?
This is my son.
What do you think about it?
It's a little taller in the front.
Yeah.
It's 2 inches taller in the front. Needs to be, get a stack of level.
The fuck angles, huh?
But my angles ain't bad. My angles better than yours.
Why don't these spin?
Bro,
Because I'm broke, man. Where's he going?
Reverse light's not working.
He still rubs in the front.
Well, it's not gonna change. There goes your grass.
Still a nigga truck, huh? You gonna steal a nigga truck, huh? That boy got the box in the back.
did you just show them my interior?
No.
Body and rolls.
Where you can actually see him.
No, you didn't. Did you really?
No.